Got him. Sniper northeast. Motherfuck.
Устанавливаю С4. Обнаружил вражеского солдата. Возьми твои патроны. Вон, патроны. Понял! Вот патрон.
Fucking tank, dude. Microphones in this squad? At all? Oh, sweet. We got a load of dipshits at fucking Gulf. Tanks and LAVs, enemies with rockets. Gulf, yep. They're parachuting in on Gulf. Yeah, they're parachuting on Delta right now, too.
Вот вам патроны.
Damn it. Shooter man? Is that you talking? Oh, cool. Chopper dead ahead. 2 of them. This is gonna suck. Let's try to get that attack chopper.
I've lost objective goal. We have lost objective goal.
He's done. Oh, no! We're good. Oh my god! Ah, sorry. Motherfucker. Too greedy. That goddamn thing.
Сообщите приказ.
You have a laser designator. Nick, I can lock on.
Вижу вражескую вертушку. Вижу вражеский ЛАВ.
LAV is coming up to Foxtrot. Two tanks. Oh my god, there's lots of shit going on here.
Check in. There's tank north of your current position.
And the snipers and all sorts of stupid shit. Whoa! There's a tank right out over here. There you go. Nice. There he is. Looks like he's destroyed.
We've lost objective Bravo. There's a sniper east of your current position.
Chopper's up. Attack chopper.
Видел вражеский танк.
Oh, that chopper's too far away.
Какова наша цель? Прием.
Objective. Okay. Yeah, sticking these bushes over here. That laser does make it out. Try to take some shit out of him. I only have a couple javelins left though.
Go! Come on, let's... Come on, давай!
Oh, snipers! There's a enemy on foot right next to me. He's running right by my dead body. Where are you guys at? So far.
To east of your location, there appears to be an enemy helicopter.
Child, they're shooting right in front of me, 12 o'clock. Right here, right here. Got one. That's his.
Весьма признателен.
There's more up here. Keep that designated.
Enemy tank to east of your current position. Be advised, objective Golf is lost.
He's still active or is he dead? Oh, fuck. Got him. I reload my javelin. Fuck. He's coming at me when I was shooting at another target. Enemy tank on MSR. Moving towards the train bridge. Oh, fuck is right. I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh god. This bullet's just going right by my face. Jesus. This is fucking ruthless. On the bridge, on the bridge.
Objective back home.
Yeah, I saw a couple of nacho markers on the bridge there when I looked at the big map. And there's more to the right here. To the right, rocks on the right. Got me. A sniper. Me neither. Not a good sight anyway. I'm gonna switch up my sights. They're going south of Foxtrot here. Coming in with the... I'm coming to golf with the Jeep of my own as well. Oh my God. Jesus. Where's that cocksucker? There he is. Just flared. Do not get me. Oh, God, man. 12 and 11. Jesus.
I've spotted enemy sniper force in your position.
I got him.